Looking for some Halloween party ideas and some Halloween party drinks to match? I got some great original Halloween cocktail recipes that your friends and family are absolutely going to love. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this video I'll be sharing with you some Halloween party drinks for 2020 that I promise you are absolutely deliciously scary drinks for Halloween. Wow, I said Halloween a lot, didn't I? Now, if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best advice on all things bartending on a cocktail, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down here, and don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a video when it comes out. Now, as always, I try to not only make these easy cocktails for Halloween, but these drink recipes are guaranteed to be tasty recipes that your guests can't get anywhere else, as well as fun drinks for a spooky party. Now, don't worry about having to hunt down any of these ingredients or equipment or anything like that. I went ahead and put links in the description below. So once you're done watching this video, you see something you like, just go ahead and click away and you'll be off to Amazon to pick up everything you need. Now, when coming up with these Halloween themed cocktails, I lean pretty heavily on my Caribbean roots to come up with some of the names and some of the ingredients for these recipes, basically so I could come up with some of the best Halloween drinks ever. Honestly, it's like Halloween's been around forever and all the good names were taken by all the other bartenders. Imagine that. But anyway, the first one of our Halloween party cocktails is one I like to call Duppy Collector. Now, for those of you who don't know, Duppy is what you call Ghost in Jamaica. Now, for this one, all you're going to need is 2 ounces of banana nectar, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, half an ounce of spice syrup, 1 ounce of falernum, and 1 ounce of overproof rum. Now, if you want to know how we made the spice syrup, you can go ahead and check out this video right here to get the full process on how we did that. Go ahead and add some ice to your shaker, give it a nice good shake, and then you're going to take your favorite spooky looking tiki mug with a little bit of crushed ice in it and go ahead and pour your cocktail into the mug. Add some more crushed ice, and then you're going to take a hollowed out half of a lime, preferably probably the one that you just used to juice for this cocktail, and put a little bit more overproof rum in that. Take your torch, give it a light on fire, and then you're going to take some cinnamon and sprinkle it over there so that you can get that beautiful sparkling effect, kind of spooky, kind of mystical, magical look from the cocktail. And that's the Duppy Collector. By the way, I'd love to know if you guys have any favorite Halloween themed drinks that you usually go to for any of your parties. Drop it in the comments below and we can all add it to our list of Halloween recipes. The second of my Halloween cocktails is one I like to call Merlin's Elixir. Now for this one, all you're going to need is 2 ounces of butterfly pea flower infused gin. And if you want to figure out how to make some simple syrup or spirit infusions, effective techniques for that, you can check out this video right here. Next, you're going to take 2 ounces of pear juice, half an ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1 ounce of cherry syrup, and about a half a bar spoon of pearl dust. Add some ice to your shaker, give it a nice shake, and go ahead and strain it into a beaker. Top it off with 1 ounce of sparkling water and give it a nice little swirl. And then you get to notice that kind of cloudy, sparkly effect that it has in there that looks like it's some kind of mystical magical potion ready to serve to your guests straight up. Merlin's Elixir. Now our third scary drink is guaranteed to become one of your favorite Halloween drinks with dry ice, and it's one I like to call Zombie's Blood. Now for this one, you're going to go ahead and take your mixing glass and add 1.5 ounces of sorrel infused gin, half an ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and 2 ounces of soda water. Make sure you have some ice in there, give it a nice good stir, and then you're going to go ahead and pour that into your beaker. Next step is my favorite part with the dry ice. Take a couple pebbles of dry ice, drop it in the beaker, and watch that smoky goodness flow out of the bottle. Add a straw in there to serve it to your guests, and then you're all set with the Zombie's Blood. Now, a few things to remember when you're working with dry ice, or in fact using dry ice in your cocktails. Make sure when you're ordering it, you get food grade dry ice. The other thing that you want to do is make sure that you're using protection when you're handling it at all times. Wearing gloves or using tweezers to place it in your cocktail. Try not to touch it directly. It's extremely cold and can in fact burn your skin. As a matter of fact, that's one of the reasons why we're using a straw in this cocktail, to keep that layer of separation between the ice and your guests drinking it. Now for another another layer of protection. They have plastic stirrers that encase nuggets of dry ice, or other little plastic containers that you can drop into your drink so that you have that extra separation between your guests and the dry ice. Quick safety tip for everybody to remember. And those are my Halloween party drinks for 2020. Hopefully you use a few of them at your next get-together Halloween party, or at the very least, maybe they inspired you to come up with a cool, spicy, smoky potion of your own. Now, if you're looking for products to help you upgrade your bar skills and take them to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and download our free PDF, the Barprints Cheat Sheet. It shows you everything you need to know to go from a novice bartender to a pro in less than 24 hours. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I hope you have, please give it a like and share it with your friends. It helps the channel out way more than you know. And for some more great bartending advice, go ahead and check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next one.